Hello and welcome to another video by Inner Gems. Today we venture into the fascinating world of human courtship, exploring the delicate dance of flirtation. It's a universal language, understood across cultures and throughout time. In the animal kingdom, creatures develop elaborate courtship rituals to attract a mate. Humans are no different. Flirting is our way of signaling interest, of saying, I see you and I like what I see. This video, Flirt Like a Pro, how to let him know you like him, will serve as your guide to mastering this subtle art. We'll uncover the secrets to letting someone know you're interested, from the initial glance to deeper connections. In the animal kingdom, baring one's teeth is often a sign of aggression, but in the human world, a smile takes on a completely different meaning. A genuine smile, one that reaches your eyes, can be disarming. It's a sign of warmth, openness, and invitation. When you smile at someone, you're essentially saying, I'm approachable, I'm friendly, and I find you pleasant to be around. Coupled with eye contact, a smile becomes even more potent. Holding someone's gaze for a moment longer than usual can send a powerful message. It shows that you're not afraid to be seen, to be vulnerable. This combination of a smile and eye contact is the first step in establishing a connection. It's an invitation to further exploration, a signal that you're open to the possibility of something more. So the next time you find yourself drawn to someone, remember the power of a smile and a lingering gaze. You might just spark a connection that could blossom into something truly special. Just as a bird might carefully select the most vibrant twig to adorn its nest, a well-placed compliment can work wonders in the game of attraction. But sincerity is key. People can spot a disingenuous compliment from a mile away. Instead of focusing on generic flattery, try to find something specific that you genuinely admire about him. Perhaps it's his quick wit, his taste in music, or his dedication to a particular cause. Whatever it may be, voicing your appreciation in a genuine way will make him feel seen and valued. A compliment is a way of saying, I notice you, I appreciate you, and I find you interesting. It's a form of positive reinforcement that can boost his confidence and make him feel good about himself. And when you make someone feel good, they tend to associate those positive feelings with you. So don't be afraid to sprinkle a few genuine compliments into your conversations. You might just find that they come back to you tenfold. In the animal kingdom, physical touch is often used to establish dominance or assert control. But in the delicate dance of human courtship, touch takes on a softer, more nuanced meaning. A light touch on the arm during a shared laugh, a gentle brush of the hand while reaching for something, these fleeting moments of physical contact can speak volumes. They create a sense of intimacy, of shared space and connection. When done subtly and appropriately, these touches can be incredibly powerful in conveying attraction. Of course, it's important to be mindful of personal boundaries and to read the other person's body language. But if you're picking up on positive signals, don't be afraid to incorporate a little bit of touch into your interactions. It could be the subtle push that takes your connection to the next level. Shared passions, shared bonds. In the wild, creatures often engage in elaborate displays to attract a mate. But for humans, sometimes the most effective way to someone's heart is through their interests. Showing genuine interest in his hobbies and passions is a surefire way to create a connection. It demonstrates that you care about what makes him tick, that you're invested in getting to know him on a deeper level. Whether it's his love for vintage motorcycles, his passion for photography, or his dedication to his local football team, engaging with his interest will make him feel seen and understood. Ask him questions, listen attentively to his responses, and share your own thoughts and experiences. You might just find that you have more in common than you initially thought. The power of open-ended questions. Imagine a conversation as a flowing river. Closed-ended questions, those that can be answered with a simple yes or no, are like dams that obstruct the flow. Open-ended questions, on the other hand, are like tributaries that feed the river, allowing it to meander and explore new territory. Asking open-ended questions shows that you're genuinely interested in his thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It gives him the space to elaborate, to share his stories, and to reveal more of himself to you. Instead of asking, did you have a good day, try something like, what was the highlight of your day? The latter invites him to share a specific experience, which can lead to a more engaging and meaningful conversation. So, the next time you find yourself wanting to connect on a deeper level, remember the power of open-ended questions. They're the key to unlocking deeper conversations and forging stronger connections. Laughter, it's often said, is the best medicine. It's also a powerful tool in the realm of flirtation. When you laugh at someone's jokes, you're not just acknowledging their humor, you're validating their perspective. You're saying, "I get you, I find you funny, and I enjoy your company." This shared laughter creates a sense of intimacy and connection, building a bridge between two people. Of course, authenticity is key. Forced laughter is easily detectable and can have the opposite effect. But if you genuinely find him amusing, don't hold back. Let your laughter flow freely and watch as it breaks down barriers and strengthens the bond between you. In the animal kingdom, mimicry is often used as a survival tactic, but in the world of human interaction, it can be a powerful tool for building rapport. Subtly mirroring someone's body language, their posture, their gestures, can create a sense of subconscious connection. It's a way of saying, we're on the same wavelength, we're in sync with each other. This doesn't mean mimicking their every move, which can come across as creepy or insincere. Instead, focus on subtle reflections. If they lean in while talking, you lean in slightly too. If they take a sip of their drink, you take a sip of yours a moment later. These subtle acts of mirroring can create a sense of familiarity and comfort, making the other person feel more at ease and receptive to your advances. Throughout nature, confidence is often associated with strength and leadership. In the realm of human attraction, it holds just as much power. Confidence is incredibly attractive. It's about owning who you are, embracing your strengths, and not being afraid to go after what you want. When you approach someone with confidence, you're essentially saying, "I'm comfortable in my own skin, and I think you're pretty great too." This self-assuredness can be incredibly alluring. So stand tall, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to initiate conversation. Let your inner light shine, and you'll be amazed at the magnetic effect it has. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of flirtation. Remember, it's not about playing games or manipulating anyone. It's about expressing your interest in an authentic and engaging way. So go forth and put these tips into practice. Smile, make eye contact, offer genuine compliments, and don't be afraid to show your interest. You might be surprised at the connections you make and the relationships that blossom. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. So until next time, take care.